Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars, your go-to channel for everything on the road and beyond. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Equinox. If you've been waiting for a compact SUV that blends style, practicality, and tech without breaking the bank, you might want to stick around for this one. Chevy's been stepping up their game lately, and the 2026 Equinox proves it. Sleek, confident lines, a more upright stance, and a bold front fascia that borrows design cues from the Blazer EV. The new grille is wider, the headlights are slimmer, and the overall vibe is way more premium than you'd expect from a compact SUV in this price range. Chevy's keeping it simple here. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine pushing out around 175 horsepower. It's paired with a CVT for front-wheel drive models and an 8-speed automatic if you go with all-wheel drive. Sure, it's not a rocket ship, but it's more than enough for daily driving, city cruising, and weekend getaways. And yes, there's still solid fuel economy. Expect something close to 30 mpg combined, depending on your setup. Inside, the Equinox takes a big step forward. Chevy's gone fully digital. Right in front of the driver is an 11-inch digital instrument cluster, and right next to it is a 11.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, standard across all trims. It runs Google built-in, which means native Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store support, with over-the-air updates to keep everything fresh. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, no extra charge. Thank you, Chevy. Materials inside are solid. You've got soft touch surfaces in the right places, a new center console design with available ambient lighting, and more storage than ever. Rear seat passengers get more legroom thanks to a revised floor plan, and there's decent cargo space in the back, around 64 cubic feet with the seats folded down. You've got 3 trims, LT, RS, and the all-new Active. The LT is your entry point, but even it comes well equipped with push-button start, keyless entry, and those dual displays I mentioned earlier. Step up to the RS and you get a sportier look, black accents, red stitching, larger wheels, and a bit of a performance-inspired vibe even if the engine remains the same. But the big story is the Active trim. It's aimed at drivers who want something with a little more ruggedness. Think blacked-out grille, chunkier tires, and an exclusive two-tone paint job with a white roof. It's not a hardcore off-roader, but it definitely brings some attitude. Chevy Safety Assist is standard, meaning every model gets automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and a following distance indicator. Higher trims offer adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, and even rear cross-traffic braking. It's clear that Chevy wants you to feel secure behind the wheel. The 2026 Equinox starts just under $30,000. Fully loaded RS or Active trims with all-wheel drive will get you closer to $36,000, maybe $37,000 depending on options. For what you're getting, that updated tech, new design, and standard safety features, that's a pretty solid value in today's market. If you're someone who needs a practical daily driver but doesn't want to drive something boring, the new Equinox is worth checking out. It's great for small families, commuters, or really anyone who just wants a nice blend of utility, efficiency, and comfort, without going full luxury or full electric. No, this isn't the EV version. That's the Equinox EV, which is a completely different model, and we'll definitely cover that in another video. The gas-powered Equinox is sticking around, and honestly, it feels more refined and more up-to-date than ever. The 2026 Chevy Equinox isn't trying to be something it's not. It knows its audience, it delivers where it matters, and it brings a ton of value for a relatively modest price tag. Is it the flashiest SUV out there? No, but is it one of the smartest buys in the compact SUV class right now? Absolutely. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe to Dream Cars for more reviews, previews, and test drives every week. Got questions about the Equinox? Drop them in the comments below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep driving. See you in the next video.